we'll guide you through what to do when an iPhone cannot find Bluetooth devices. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying, so let's get into some fixes. It may be happening with a particular Bluetooth device or all of them and it can't find any. So to go and get started, go and open up the settings on the iPhone and scroll down and go and find Bluetooth. Of course, make sure that it's switched on. What you can try doing is simply switching it off and back on and see if that solves the problem. Now, what you need to do is with the device is make sure that it is properly in pairing mode. That may be why it's not working. So what you want to do is go and put it into pairing mode. That will vary depending upon the device, and then it should go and pop up and you should be able to go and connect to it. If that solves the problem, then great. However, if it can't go and find any Bluetooth device or if it's still not working, the next thing we're going to try doing is performing a restart. To do that, press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Now keep it held down until you see the Apple icon. At that point, release and it will start again. When your iPhone starts again, you can come back to your settings, go down and find Bluetooth, make sure that it's switched on of course, and then put the device into pairing mode. And then hopefully it will then go and appear and other devices are appearing as well. If you found this useful, then leave a like.